Hello, Brent. All right, here is your 636 sitting on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment have gone well. There are no leaks anywhere. She's in good shape. Look down inside. Nice and dry. Yes, sir. Just like the doctor ordered. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. When yours is tuned as good as mine, that's exactly what you should see and hear. All right, there are no drips coming from the main nozzle. That means the float is set correctly. Let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at about 660. I like between 650 and 700. Fuel pressure, about 2.75. That's perfect. Vacuum. 23. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and pull her through. See how she does. Pardon my thumb. Slow and easy at first. Yes, sir. No stumble. The meter rod is set correctly. I think you're going to like it. Thank you, Brent.